Hello guys, most welcome in Technology Welfare. In this video tutorial, especially I would like to show you how you will crop off any video and how you will set up logo on that video. That video belong to your. Here, see, just for it I will open my VirtualDJ and here I will drag the song. I will drag the video that you would like to crop, as well as you would like to set your own logo. That means you can claim that belongs to your. So here just I will drag one song here. So let's see now. Now what I will do here, maybe copyright problem my dears, so that's why actually here I will show you as a demo for 30 seconds, that's all. Now here just I will go in options in the software and I will go for here type yes video video. Now here is option var in a bar. See, this is a crop option, this is a zoom option, so I will select a crop option. Now here after coming the crop options, here just I will go for logo and I will select my logo. See, this is a no logo. Here I would like to have the logo, so just I will select. So here I will go for select here. So see, I have already selected this ones, so I will select. You have to make your logo on, of course, in a especially Paint, as well as of course you can create in a MS Office your logo. Now I will go for yes, and here is a size adjustment of your logo. If you would like to large, so this will be large. If you would like to in a medium, so medium is going to be always good, so I will keep medium. Now this line I would like to crop, so what I will do, just I will go for yes, reduce the diameter of this video. Now see, here I will enhance. Now see, it's a good. Now here this one logo, wherever you would like to keep as a position of this logo, you can keep. See, left, right. So here I will keep this one as a right point, right tops. Now I have to come on yes video and I have to go for yes visualization. In visualization I have to come on a text and go for add. When I will here text, now here see, similar procedure in a text. When it will be highlighted means you have selected, so just you have to click here, here, and now you have to come on a text setting and you have to type here, for example, Technology Welfare. Visits my channel for further any update. So this one, for example, at the bottom point I would like to scroll in a yes blue color. Yes, that should be writing area is a good. Now I will go for apply and then I will cut, and now I will highlight this ones. Now see guys, here as a demo, see now it has started to scroll, and here is also your logo. Now you have already cropped off in these ones. Now see, finally. So now it's a quiet one. Good. Here for example you can, I'm sorry guys, here see, you can enlarge also here. Keep it always large so that will be easy to monitor. That's what you doing in this software. So now yeah, it's a fine. Now I will keep here. My logo is at all visible. It's at all visible guys. Now see, I will start for 32 seconds. So I will go for in and flanger 6 ones. Here hotcut I will press the button 6. Now sound is not coming good, so just I will go for 9. 8, 9. This one is a fine 10. Now I will go for echo with 10. I will keep. Now I would like to yes as a demo show you from here, so I will keep this 6 number. Now I will start here. See guys, this one is a coming more, so just I have to reduce. Now this one also. Now it's a coming good. So similar cropping video will be generated. Now I have to here go in a setting, change the format of recording mode. Just I will keep a video format. Now I will cut from here. Now I will start. Yes, I will come on a master recording. I will start to record. It's waiting. Now I will go for click on yes 6 button. So I will keep this one left side because I am playing, yeah, I am the recordings, I am the croppings, everything I am doing in a deck one. So just I will keep this one this side. Now for voice, a smooth sound with good music, just I will enhance of EQ, and now I will listen this song and record. So 1, 2, 3, start. Now see guys, I will stop. Now I will stop. Now here just I will minimize, and now see it has generated. Maybe copyright problem, that's why my dear actually just I decide to show you demo that how you will crop and how you will yes create according to your inquisitorial desire dimension of video as well as how you will set up the logo. So now here I would like to show you here how's the quality of this one. Now see, now see, at the moment it's not a coming proper clear. So for it, what you have to do, just you have to here use a one compressor. So here use compressor handbrake. So here I will come in my converter. This is a handbrake. So I will install. It's a totally free. Now I will go for next, agree. Both for VirtualDJ as well as handbrake, I will give you download link below the description box. You can use. It's a free both. So now it's my handbrake compressor. It's a very good for VirtualDJ video format. Now I will open it. So run as administrator. Now yes, here see, I think two handbrake has been opened, so one I have to close. This one is a 2. So now just I have to open my file from here. So I will go on a desktop, I will select, then here this is a compressor. So here what I will do, just I will go here in yes, and I will come in a legacy normal, and here I will select web optimized mp4 format. I will select here. Now I will come on audio I will select more than 360. Yeah, of course. So just I will keep yes 384. Now I will come on a video. See, it should be like that. Now I will come on a dimension. Here I will select the customs. Now this is your save as. So just I will keep tech.w on desktop, and I will go for start now. So now see it's a compressing, guys. Now finished. Now I will see the quality of this one. Now see, guys, clean. Now see, once again I would like to show you, because it's a very smallest, that's why actually having the problem. Otherwise if you having the problem, yes, after cropping, then definitely just compress by this. Yes, I'm sure, yes, it will give you good quality of your video crop as well as setup of your logo according to your tutorial. Once again, now see. So guys, here this is way that how you will set up your logo according to your tutorial, as well as how you will crop, yes, any video after recording, as well as any video format song, how you will crop, as well as how you will set up your logo. Still you having any problem, then please write the comment and leave the query below the comment box. I will reply as soon as possible, because my motive is to assist you. So if this video has been benefited to you in any way, then don't forget like and subscribe to my channels, and please share it, because this is the thing that will inspire me to make more and more video for education purpose. So thank you guys, have a great time.